turn on closed captions for explanations of the steps. In the video description is a link to Monchi's beginner-friendly vegetarian kimchi recipe. We hope you enjoyed this and that it makes you brave enough to try the recipe yourself. The results are delicious and worth sharing a jar with a friend. Because of your stunning support for the nonprofits we love, we made this video for you. Your donations make a difference in so many lives. Thank you for everything you do.